back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make plant pots out of used toilet rolls. So what you need is a ruler, a pen and a pair of scissors. So first of all, flatten the toilet roll like this. Then with the ruler, draw a line the width of the ruler along the toilet roll. On both sides. And you've got the line on both sides, then fold it out again, then what you do is you get the toilet roll like so, and you've made it into like a square. So you get the scissors and you cut each corner up to the line. Then the bits you've cut, you fold them in into each other. To create a pot. What I do also is I wet the end, then I put them into like a plastic container. These are some that I did before. And this is just a southern fried chicken container out of, I think it was out of Lidl's, and I put them in, and I put, with the ends wet, then I put some heavy on them, and what you end up getting is, when it dries, you've got quite sturdy pots. The advantage of these is, well, obviously one, they're free, you're recycling. You can also grow broad beans in these. Then when they're a size to plant out, you don't have to worry about unpotting them, you just put them straight into the soil. The toilet roll's biodegradable, it puts carbon into the soil, so it's good for the soil. It doesn't disturb the roots. Also use them for Kelvin and Wonder peas, I used them for this year. And anything at all that doesn't like sort of root disturbance. And also you're helping to recycle, the same as with the plastic, which as you can see, I've got 24 in there already for next year's planting. You can also, with your empty drinks bowls, if you grow a sweet corn, you cut the ends off them. Then when the sweet corn gets to a reasonable size, put that over the top, and it helps to protect them from rats. For a bit of airflow, you can take the end off, the cap off. So it's another good use of recycled plastic. So I hope you have found some of that useful, and I'll catch you on next time.